everyone, it's Marian back at the videos again, and today we are going to be doing a scrub, and I absolutely love doing this scrub when it's spring. And the first thing you'll need is lime. The second thing you'll need is sugar, and it could be brown sugar, and the third thing will be honey in a jar. I got this mason jar at the 99-cent store, guys. It's really inexpensive. You can get all your things from there. So yeah, basically it's just brown sugar, lemon, and honey, and this works as an exfoliator. I like to use it during summer or spring because that's when I realized that all winter I wear tights or pants or sweats or something, and I don't show off my legs as much. And however, sometimes when I shave and I put on leggings, it really irritates my skin and it makes ingrown hairs come out more. However, when I use this scrub during spring or summer is when it works the best, and it works really good, and it takes off a lot of ingrown hairs and a lot of dirt and a lot of things that we don't see, and dead skin and whatnot. So what you want to do is go ahead and pour a little bit of sugar. Right here I had already poured a lot, but I do stir it, and you also want to get the teeth from the lime in there as well. And yeah, like, just go ahead and keep on mixing it and stir it, and kind of just give it as to where it's like not too watery and not too watery. I don't want to say watery, but more like clayey, I guess you can say. And just go ahead and pour some honey in there and some lime, and then just keep on mixing and stirring and mixing until you get a nice scrubby texture. If you guys have ever felt a scrub, this should feel the same, just because it is brown sugar. I mean, you could use the white sugar, but I feel like brown sugar works best because it's a little bit bigger than the regular sugar, if that makes any sense. And you're just gonna keep on stirring it, like I said, and just keep on mixing it and pouring some more in there, and mixing it and pouring more in there, and keep on doing that to it. And so guys, this scrub works really well, and it works good for ingrown hair, dead skin, and whatnot, like I said. And I also like it just because it's hydrating. You know, when you add the honey, it kind of gives your skin that hydration that sometimes you need, especially when it's summer and it gets out here, guys. I'm from California. It gets really hot out here, like really hot. And sometimes it could get annoying because you constantly have to be moisturizing when you're out here, because if you don't moisturize, your skin is gonna look bad if you don't moisturize. So then you're gonna just keep on squeezing more limes in there until you get the right type of paste. And then that's usually what I like to do, guys. I would when I use the scrub, I usually use it, for example, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I would really moisturize the day before, and then I do the scrub and really take off all the dead skin cells and such, and really scrub good. I also use some scrubbing gloves that you could buy at any store. Any store carries like those gloves that you just put in your hands and you scrub everything. I'll usually start off with my hands. I'll scrub one hand first and then the other, and then I do the whole body from there. So I do that, but before I do that, I do wash my body with Dove soap, and then I use the scrub, and then I rewash my body with Dove soap. I've come to realize that helps a lot because the Dove soap is very moisturizing. I use the blue one. I don't know if you guys ever seen it, but it comes like in a little white box or whatever, or blue box, or No, I think the box is white last time I checked. Yeah, but I like to use that soap and it really helps. So I hope you guys try this out, and if you do, let me know on my Instagram and let me know how you guys like it. Let me know on my Facebook page that I'm gonna go ahead and link down below. And if you guys want to see any more DIYs, just go ahead and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, hopefully this works out for you guys as much as it works out for me. I know that sometimes, you know, we get busy, but we want to feel beautiful. So homemade scrub for you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye.